Watercourses are important, however large or small they are. The Mullum Mullum Creek may be small, but it has been significant in the past and remains significant today. The creek has its origins in the hills north of Croydon. This area still has a lot of trees, although not as thick as it used to be, and there's lots of houses amongst the trees. The creek first makes its public appearance here in Croydon, south of Burt's Hill. The creek flows between facilities for the young and for the old. To the north of the creek is the Yarra Valley Grammar School. To the south of the creek is the extensive Cherry Tree Retirement Complex. Between the two, the creek provides a nice area for walking and talking. Did you see that bird over there?
Afternoon.
We need these sorts of places where we can meet others and enjoy their company. Europe has its town squares. Australia has its walking tracks. A little further downstream, the bushland gets a little thicker. Many birds find a home here. There are also lots of butterflies. It's possible that Mullum Mullum is a mistranslation of the Aboriginal phrase Ballum Ballum, which means the place of many butterflies. For many thousands of years, this creek was important to the Wurundjeri people, who belonged to the Kulin nation. There was food growing alongside the creek, and tools could be made from the trees and the vines that grew here. They used to fish for eels in the water. The old pine trees are remnants of the days of the orchards in this area. Some of the first European settlers planted fruit trees around. Around the creek, the natural environment has been largely cleared away, cleared for our houses and shopping centres, the roads for our cars. Just a narrow strip of bush is left, and even that has been tamed, with paths and bridges and signs and seats. It is just a tiny reminder of days gone by, and the natural environment on which birds and animals still depend. For the sake of the other creatures around, we need to look after this little strip of land. We need to care for the creek as part of the natural environment.